Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast with egg, only way. Heat a skillet over medium, whisk eggs and milk, dip bread just long enough to coat, then cook until golden brown on both sides. Finish with butter and a dusting of powdered sugar or cinnamon. Serve immediately with syrup or fruit for contrast. Keep the heat moderate to ensure a crisp outside and soft, custardy center. In this video, I will show how to make French toast with egg, only way. Crack eggs into a bowl, add milk, vanilla, and sugar, then whisk until smooth and slightly frothy. Pour the custard into a shallow dish to soak the bread evenly. Preheat a non-stick skillet with a pat of butter or a thin film of oil to medium heat for an even golden crust. Cook each slice until both sides are beautifully caramelized. In this video, I will show how to make French toast with egg, only way. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a game changer for keeping crumbs away while you cook, with voice control and smart cleaning routines that save time. If you like appliances that simplify life, it's worth a look. Please subscribe and like if this video helps you. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make French toast with egg, only way. After dipping, let excess drip back to the dish so your toast crisps instead of sogs. Place slices in the warm skillet and wait until edges set before flipping once, which keeps the interior custardy. If browning too fast, lower the heat and cover briefly to finish cooking through. Rest briefly before serving to set the texture and avoid syrup runoff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.